are two wild cards in this scenario. Other super predators that make hunting forays here. The cheetah and the African wild dog. To Kim, the predators resemble modern-day fighting units, each with its own set of lethal capabilities.
The lions who are operating just with pure brute force, and on top of that they're able to work together as a pride. Most of the time they're able to dominate. The cheetah calling the bluff on a hyena, I've never seen that before, and it's unheard of. The cheetahs are just getting extremely bold and having to put up a fight. There's no chance of backing down now. They've got to survive, and they're going to go to war with everybody else.
The hyena can't pull rank.
In the day, they're quite timid to my presence. But at night, they're extremely different characters to what they are in the daytime, and can be extremely aggressive at night. So